quick tutorial on the Contax digital camera. Now, somebody recently asked me, how do you format the SD card? Well, look at the arrow keys up here. So we're just going to arrow till we get to the part where it says setup. Now, it's really not too difficult. Just going to keep going till you get to setup. Okay, right there, it says setup. Now, just arrow to where it says format, and then you see that right there. Then you're going to press on that, and it's going to do its thing. You're going to hit execute. There you go. Hit execute and let it do its thing. You see the light at the bottom there, and it's done just like that. And you have successfully formatted the card. Now, one thing that I should note, it's very important. So as you can see, everything seems to be working just fine. Everything's cleared up. It's perfect. But something that might be a bit of an issue is that you need an older SD card now, because if you're using a more modern SD card, it may not work. So take a look. I'm going to show you the SD card that I have in here. It's an older one, and it doesn't have that much memory, but it's the one that works with this camera, and I'm going to show it to you right now. See that SanDisk, 128 MB. I know it's not much, but it can still do a decent job. So I hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comments if you need further help. I'll be happy to assist you. So there it is, Contax digital camera. It's a beauty. Check it out. Let me know. Bye.